Welcome to the lecture series of Maths Genius, and today we will be covering the topic. This is the October-November 2019 economics paper, AS Economics, that is paper 970822. Okay, so the question asked that explain how the knowledge of price elasticity of demand for a good can help businesses to assess the impact of a price change upon the total revenue. I have mentioned the topic in the highlighted text. It is elasticity of demand and total revenue for a producer. So first of all, you will be writing the relationship between PED and a firm's total revenue is very important. The diagram below shows the curves of PED and the effects of change in the market prices, right? Okay, so first of all, when the inelastic demand is here, right? So you will be showing this part that you are gaining this part is being added and this part is being subtracted. And over here what is happening? This part is being added and this part is subtracted, right? So what you will be telling them, you will be saying that when the demand curve PED is what? Less than 1, right? It means that what it is? It is inelastic. When PED is less than 1, what happens? If you increase the price, the total revenue will also increase, right? So this is the information which is required. Similarly, so first of all, you will be drawing this diagram. For example, if the curve is inelastic, right? So PED is less than 1, the price, if you increase the price levels, the total revenue will also increase. However, if PED is greater than 1, right? So what will happen? If you increase the price levels, right, the total revenue will fall. One more thing which you have to be very particular about is if you can also draw a diagram of this. This is the price, this is the quantity, and you are showing unit elasticity. So this will be very helpful. When PED is equals to 1, it is unit elastic. Of course, it is -1. I am just not going towards the sign, because it is always negative, right? The relationship between price and quantity demanded is negative. That's why it is a downward sloping curve. Okay, so when PED is negative, so what will happen? If you increase the price, the total revenue will also increase proportionally. So it will be proportional, it will be same, right? So you will be making 3 conditions. First, inelastic, second one would be elastic, and third would be unit elastic. And this will be really helpful, and then a conclusion at the end that this will really help the business in order to realize, in order to make an assessment that what is happening. This is like if I am increasing the price till here. This is a diagram which I am talking about, right? So if you decrease in elastic demand, what you will do? You have to decrease the price in order to increase the total revenue. So this is the key, right? In unit it remains the same. So there is not much of an impact. I hope that you guys have understood this part. This is the end of this session.